Good day, everyone. If your Instagram reels are not loading in PC, so I'll quickly open the Instagram, and when I go to reels, it just hangs and shows stuck. So I'll click on reels and it doesn't work from here. So I'm clicking and it's not doing anything. So now what I'll do, I'll just close the window, and once you have closed it, click on the search icon and type adjust. You will find adjust the appearance. Click on that, and then you will find performance options. So if anything is selected, make sure this animate control and elements inside window should be check mark, and then click on apply and OK. Now if I'll go back to the Instagram, it should work, and do let me know in the comment section whether it's working fine or not. So it's a very quick fix, and for most of us, this will fix the problem. Please subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.